Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to continue with this basic AutoCAD commands. So day 2 in the last tutorials I have completed arc command. So today I'm going to continue with this ellipse command. So you can see this is the arc command I have completed. So now I'm going to continue with the ellipse command, which will comes under draw toolbars. You can see here it is given here center. Okay, so let us draw one line from here, and I will start the ellipse command here. You can find the ellipse. Here in draw toolbar. So first of all, the shortcut keys for the ellipse command is EL. So let us type EL. Okay, type EL, enter, and then you can see here in the command bar it is asking ellipse, specify the axis end of ellipse or arc or center. So specify the axis end point of the ellipse. So this is the axis, and specify the other end point of the ellipse. So this is the other point. Okay, and you can drag like this, so it will make an ellipse for you. So like this. Okay, similarly there is another option. So you have to type again EL. Let me change the color first. Okay, so now I'm going to take the red color. Okay, so type EL, and you can see here in the command bar it is asking specify axis end point of ellipse or arc or center. So just click on arc. Okay, and specify the axis end point of elliptical arc or center. So this time I'm going to provide like this. Okay, center like this. Okay, second option is from this panel. The ellipse command is already given here directly, so you can go to the draw toolbar panel, and you can see here there are 3-4 ellipse are given here. So first of all you have to select the first option, which is center. So if you take your cursor here on the center, it will show here an example. See the center point, create an ellipse using a specified center point. So there are 3 center point is required to create an ellipse. So select first one, first this point, second point, and the third point like this. Okay, second option is, let me choose another color. So second option is axis end. So axis end is nothing but, again one more again you have to require 3 point to draw this ellipse. So this is the first point, second point, and end point. Axis end is called like this. Okay, and the third option is the elliptical arc. So you can see how it looks like. So this is the elliptical arc. 1 2 3 4 5 point is required. So let me check. Second, third, like this. Fourth, see 4 point is required elliptical arc. So let me choose again. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. So this is the elliptical arc. So fifth point is required to draw this elliptical arc. So I hope you guys learn the I hope you guys learn the ellipse command in AutoCAD. So please be with me, and I will continue the next command, which is called offset region command. I will show you later. So the next command is offset command, so I will show you this command in the next tutorial. So please be with me and keep watching my videos. So, and also I would like to request you all guys, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any video you will get the notification of that video. So let us please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.